What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel. Thank you very much for tuning in today. I just want to unbox the new pickups that I got you guys and possibly talk about another giveaway I'm doing in the near future. So let's just get right into it. Put these down here. As you can tell, I got a few Nike boxes, Jordan 1 boxes, a couple Yeezy boxes. And I'll just start with this one right here on top. This was actually kind of a general release on the Nike app. It wasn't sneakers and it wasn't like, you know, a huge popular shoe, but it did actually go pretty quickly. And I'm seeing them on Facebook Marketplace and a few other places. But this shoe is the Jordan 1 Mid Royal, I think. I don't know if that's the actual. It's just a Mid SE. SE stands for special edition, so I don't know what special edition, why this is special edition, but Hyper Royal, black and white. So yeah, it's got a nice nice Hyper Royal color bottom as well. The Wings logo is Hyper Royal. The Jumpman with the air on the tongue, and decent quality leather. It's not the best. It's got like a mesh swoosh on the side as well, and kind of like a mesh material on the toe box. So I haven't really seen this material on the toe box in a while. And then it's got some I think some suede here on the collar right here on the back. But pretty decent shoe right here. Air Jordan 1 Mid Hyper Royal. Mids aren't booming, but they're trying to make a comeback. But anyway, there's that first shoe. Let's do a Yeezy. Right here, I got, I'm not sure which one this is. I got two of them, two different ones. So yeah, this is the most recent Yeezy that just came out, the most recent 350. And it is the Yeezy Boost 350 Israfil. And actually this color is one that I actually really like. I have zebras personally, and that's the only pair I have. But this one's like a grayish, almost bluish tint in person. Almost a gum outsole, but not quite. And then obviously the Boost midsole, which is really comfortable. You got like a nice tan, like almost orange yellow kind of stripe here, and the knit is actually kind of different on these. It's very similar to the Zions that came out as well, the knit pattern. But I really like these. And then on these, the laces are a little different. Normally you get tips on the end of the laces, but this is like connected on the front. So really cool that they connected this, and it's like pretty much a loose fit. You can't even tie them unless you pull the laces and tighten them. But I mean, who ties their Yeezys in the first place? Anyway, yeah, these are really cool. Yeezy 350 Israfil. And actually these actually came with extra laces, and these extra laces have tips. So not sure if you have to cut this. Like it's just like literally it just connects on here. Actually, no. Actually, oh, the laces tuck in. You can move this rubber piece out of the way, and then you can, I think, no, actually, it looks like they're stitched in. Never mind. Well, I guess if you wanted to remove the laces, you'd have to cut them and then put these on, and then possibly use this rubber piece to tuck in the tips and have a similar look. Anyway, that's the 350 Israfil with extra laces, which is really cool because Yeezys never come with extra laces. So that's right there. Let's I'll just do the other Yeezy, and then I'll do the Jordan 1. I have 3 pairs of the same Jordan 1, so no sense in unboxing all 3. I'll just do one of them. But this Yeezy is actually a past release, but one I've had and I haven't unboxed in any of my videos. Just kind of was waiting for the right time. And this one is this is the Yeezy Boost 350 Citroen. It's like I said, it's an older release, but it's got kind of like a very light green stripe across the front, and the pattern Is the pattern similar to these? No, not entirely. It's a different pattern, but I still like it. Neither one of these Yeezys have pull tabs on the back, but actually that makes it look more minimal, and I actually like Yeezys with no pull tab. This one's kind of got almost a gum bottom as well, but not quite. And the Adidas Yeezy branding in the middle. So yeah, these Citroens are decent. They're just pretty much going for retail right now, and these are actually sold. And these Israfils actually are sold as well. So yeah, there's the third shoe I have for you guys. And actually, before I get into the last shoe, if you guys are new to the channel, I'm actually currently doing a giveaway for my Denim 3s right here. I posted a picture of these on my IG. My IG is the same as my YouTube name, and find this post, tag 3 friends in the comments, and follow my IG obviously, and sub to my YouTube, and you'll be entered to win these Denim 3s. They're a size 9, but you know, if they're not your size, you can sell them and, you know, do whatever with the money, or give them away to somebody else, or whatever you want. But yeah, very clean Denim 3s that just recently dropped and sold out. So this is my current giveaway, you guys. And let's get into the last shoe. Like I said, I have 3 of the same shoe, so I'm not going to unbox all of them. I will unbox the adult size. I have a 4Y, and then I have a 4.5Y. And this adult size is actually a 10. And this, you guys, I'm considering for my next giveaway, and which won't be until next month, until the current giveaway is over. But this is hopefully you guys are excited for this one, because I was really excited to get this one. But it is the Jordan 1 Biohack, and these ones are really clean. I say that with a lot of shoes, but just the colors on these are freaking amazing, you guys. You got like the lime green midsole, black bottoms. We got like a teal on the toe box, is really soft. The front here with the suede, like a navy blue, is soft. This panel right here is leather, is soft. Extra laces, obviously. The side, this black right here, maybe I don't know, my material is all that great, but this black material right here feels like a suede. Maybe it's nubuck. I'm probably completely wrong about that. But then the black, or I mean the brown on the back here, the ankle, is leather, and this swoosh is I think leather as well. And then obviously you got like a nylon tongue, and really what's really cool about these is the exposed mesh, or the exposed foam on the tongue, a lot like what they do with the off-whites. And I got a couple pairs of off-whites back there, and I love the exposed foam on these, love it. You got like Frankenstein stitching on the tongue here, with the Nike Air, and then on the inside just huge pop with the pink. And then on the back of the tongue, pink as well. The front is this yellow orange, and then on the back is pink. But so crazy. Oh, then the Wings logo here actually opens up, and it's like a neon green. So this neon green is different than this lime green. So there's literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 different colors on this shoe, and then there's a teeny bit of teal on the back here, but that matches the toe box. 9 colors. These shoes are insane, you guys. You got Nike Air branding on the inside. Not sure if you can see that, but these shoes are amazing, you guys. I actually hit on a 9.5 on sneakers today as well, so I got 4 pairs of these, and I'm very I'm really considering giving these away to you guys next week, so stay tuned for that as well. I'd love to give a pair of these away to you guys. So if you're rocking with me, you guys, I appreciate it very much, excuse me. And I hope you enjoyed the boxing today. I got obviously a few pairs of these. And just so you guys don't think I'm just flexing boxes, here's a pair here, and here's another pair here. So literally, and I actually sold both of these youth sizes. Got the Israfils, got the Citroens, and I got these Jordan 1 Hyper Royal mids. But that's it for today's unboxing, guys. Don't forget about the giveaway, the current giveaway on my Instagram as well. And hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one as well. Peace.